my friend Aaliyah. Today she is going to be a tiger. You wanna give me your best roar? Roar, roar. All right, so we're gonna do your whole entire face. Does that sound exciting? Kind of. We're gonna like transform your face. You're gonna get to be a magical tiger. What we're using today is one of my split cakes that I made. What I'm gonna do first is load our sponge. I dipped this sponge in the water and then squeezed out all of the excess water so that I can get as much of the color across the face of the sponge. The most important thing to remember with the tiger is to do it quickly and efficiently. So from here I take the sponge and just swoop it all the way around the outside. All of the colors blend together, makes for a really nice fade. And we're just gonna start from the outside with the pink for our pink tiger. And then from here, I'm just going to start working it in. So it's another layer. And this has a few layers to get the right effect. By all means, there are lots of different ways to apply the paint. You can do it all in one color. You can do it in several colors, but with pink kitty or pink tiger, I like to try to blend it in so it has a little bit more texture to it. Spritz, spritz, a little bit of glitter, it's gonna magically fall down on your face. You can see that, just the way the sheen goes over the whole entire face. It's gonna make it pop. The nose, I make like a V and then I paint right underneath and pull it out just a little bit. So if you can see, she's got a cute little nose. Some of the noses we can bring up and in just a little bit more. Some of them look cute with a sharper, pointier nose. We're gonna go from the inside, up, and in, and up, and in. Beautiful. Gonna go around her mouth, go out, and then swoop up. Out, and swoop up. And a little piece right there. I press down from the top, and point it inward, point it inward. I'm still using my number 6 round. If your line control isn't the best yet, you could use a number 2 or a number 4 round to make the stripes, but they'll be a little bit thinner. I like mine thicker at the base and then just go inward. So with these towards the eye, I focused the teardrop towards one point, and all of these in the top are pointed towards right towards the middle. So they have different anchor points as we paint. So they're not all going to the same place. They're focusing on different spots of her face. And let's do a couple down here. And that one's good. Go down underneath again, just like this. And then we'll take this and pull it inward. I use the side of the brush to make the line a different thickness. I'll go, oh my gosh, she looks so cute. You are so cute. I like to give them beautiful red lips because they stand out vibrantly, and the girls especially. Love to have beautiful lips. Gonna add some glitter. You ready? Ready to see? Do you like it?